Welcome back to Next Gen Reviews. Today, we're talking about a legend reborn, the 2026 Kawasaki KX500. After years of rumors and wishful thinking, Kawasaki has finally brought back its big-bore two-stroke, and it's more than just a nostalgic throwback. This is a modern motocross powerhouse built to dominate tracks and open terrain alike. Design. The 2026 KX500 takes its design cues from Kawasaki's latest motocross lineup, with aggressive bodywork, sharp lines, and a minimalist approach to keep weight down. The slim profile makes it easy to move around on, while the updated plastics and bold graphics give it that unmistakable KX racing attitude. The ergonomics are rider-focused, grippy seat cover, narrow tank, and optimized handlebar positioning for maximum control. Performance. At the core is the all-new 499 cubic centimeters liquid-cooled two-stroke engine, completely redesigned for modern standards. It delivers that raw, arm-stretching torque KX500 fans remember, but with a smoother, more manageable power curve thanks to updated port timing and a modern exhaust valve system. The bike is paired with a precise 5-speed gearbox, and at just over 230 pounds, the power-to-weight ratio is nothing short of exhilarating. Suspension duties are handled by Kawasaki's latest Showa components, tuned for high-speed stability without sacrificing bump absorption. Features and technology. Even though it's built for pure racing, the KX500 benefits from modern tech. You get adjustable mapping via Kawasaki's plug-and-play coupler system, oversized brake rotors for better stopping power, and a redesigned air intake for improved throttle response. The frame geometry has been optimized for better cornering while maintaining stability in rough sections. Conclusion. The 2026 Kawasaki KX500 isn't just a revival, it's a reimagining of one of motocross's most iconic machines. It's fast, fierce, and unapologetically built for riders who crave big-bore excitement. What do you think? Is this the comeback the motocross world has been waiting for? Drop your thoughts in the comments, hit that like button, share this with your riding crew, and subscribe to Next Gen Reviews for more deep dives into the latest machines.